Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by collecting precise identifiers: author name, full title, edition, and ISBN if you have it. Once done, open Google Books and keep Google Search handy. They serve different purposes. Make sure to type the exact title in quotes to force phrase matching, then add author or ISBN separated by commas. This reduces noise and brings relevant results to the top quickly. If you want broader reach, switch to Google Search and include Cite, Edu, or file type, PDF to find academic or downloadable versions. Next, refine using advanced operators. Put titles in quotes, use and slash, or and the minus sign to exclude terms. Once done, add Cite, Edu or Cite, org for scholarly sources or file type, PDF for downloadable copies. Make sure to search the ISBN directly for exact matches and consult Google Scholar to find citations that list the book. Also check library catalogs and World Cat entries to locate copies near you. If previews are limited, read snippet text to confirm edition and publication details before continuing. Finally, decide how you will access the book. Use the Google Books preview, buy from a retailer, or request via your library and interlibrary loan. If access is blocked, try switching country settings or use a library proxy and always fall back to the ISBN to request a specific edition. Make sure to confirm metadata, publisher, year, page count, so you have the right copy. If you still can't find it, contact a librarian with the ISBN and bibliographic details. They can usually track down even rare editions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.